Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about the HTML iframes. So the HTML iframe stands for inline frame, and the HTML iframe is used to display one web page inside another web page. So like an example, we can have the iframe tag, and the iframe tag came with the source attribute and the frame border attribute. So inside the source attribute, here we have to specify the URL of the target page that we wanted to embed inside the current web page. So the source can be another website like Java T point. So you can see we have embedded another page inside the current page using the iframe tag, and the iframe tag came with the frame border attribute, which has the default value as 0. So if we put the value 1, then there will be border around the iframe tag, and if we put 0, then there will be no border around the iframe tag. And also we can use the height attribute, and we can set the height of the iframe, and also we can use the width attribute, and we can set the width of the iframe. So this is the way we can use the iframe tag, and we can embed another page inside the current page. And also we can use the frame border, and we can add or remove the border around the iframe. And also we can use the height and the width property to specify the height and width for the iframe. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.